So we have a chair with a broken leg. It's part of a larger set, and we can't get a replacement for the one. It's a pretty clean break. You can see all the little points are there. They're not folded over yet. So we're going to try and repair this. So I opened up the upholstery a little bit, and I'm looking down in there, and I see a lot of gaps there, but I think there's enough meat, enough wood there that I can actually screw a old lag bolt in and cut off the top, and then we'll dowel it into the other side. So we'll see how that works. So the leg is in there. The top is cut off it, and got JB weld down in there, and we got the area surrounding hopefully protected so we don't screw it up. We've drilled a hole in there. That had to be pretty precise to land in the same spot as that, and it worked out pretty good. I just had to hog it out a little bit, so hopefully that'll work out well. So it's going to be more JB weld down in the hole, and then some kind of glue up on the wood, probably wood glue, so it can it's a water-based glue that can soak into the wood. We'll see. I think that's all we can do for now. The leg jammed up nice and tight into the joint, but I wasn't able to close it all the way. I got almost a 1/4 inch there, so I'm gonna have to cut the leg off, but felt like it was really tight. I put this one long clamp on it to hold it in overnight, and I've got this shorter clamp here to try and keep it in line with the one below. I hope that works. So I think between the wood glue and the JB weld, I think it's going to hold. We may add a little angle iron up in there to be safe tomorrow. I don't know. Let's wait and see. So it's all done. You still have some kitty damage there, but the rest of it went back together pretty well. It turns out that I did have the leg all the way up in there. The gap I was looking at was a recess for the piping to go into there. So we got everything put back together, and I think it's going to work out well.